again. Come to give you more again, yeah.
I know it's wrong to talk to them the way I was talking to them. And I definitely apologize for that in myself.
Yo, the phone just a ring some man. Oh, this a call. Oh, a strike force. I'm gonna call him back there.
Govana, it look like you need to invite Jackie or the Gallis class. Anyway, you know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time, yeah, check out the Chaddy More TV. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. And people, if you want to support the Chaddy More TV brand, we have merch on sale going right now. You can find them at teespring.com/stores/ChaddyMori and you can pick up one of the Sickle Strong shirts. Every sale from the Sickle Strong shirt goes towards helping a sickle cell child that is in need. So you can check out that something there.
Yo, we just a see your missed call. So one call they say, no man, about 6 calls.
So in this video, we are going to talk about how Jacure, world star singer Jacure, allegedly apologized to the female and him explain theme take on the whole buying vagina saga video we are going. And if people who don't know about that, I would suggest you watch a previous video that I upload and then you get a broader understanding of what I'm talking about. Wicked man Chris is really a wicked man for true because Chris did this to Govana. What did he do? Find out later. So people, don't go nowhere no. Me said don't go nowhere at all. Just sit back, relax and enjoy this review. Oh, follow me on Instagram too at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ Chaddy. Alright, ready now.
Just born a married woman and a rinse off. Oh, cause you know me just say you switch that. You mad? Can't hear from me brother Chris dog. I want to hear DJ, you know the link card.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
So people, me I go explain the Govana convo for my viewers that are living under a rock. I joke me I make still. But anyway, since you now follow up, Govana did a video in the beginning of the year. I think him drop it about January, where it is a conversational video like. So Dina Crazy was playing the role of Chris and Keisha supposedly there, and now Govana start have sex with Keisha. Can you imagine that? Chris was supposed to be overseas when Govana call and Chris pick up the phone. Now Govana start talk from left to right way into with Keisha and all kind of things. Not knowing say the brother way up on the other line, which is Chris, is Keisha husband. So him have some other parts to the whole convo thing where him actually show Chris keep Gallis class and show Chris some things. And I say, Chris, you can't make them gal a clown out, you know. And then Chris go find one another girl, which is one of Govana girl them again. So he come like say everywhere Chris turn, him get what the dog get. You wanna know what the dog get? The same thing Govana gave to Keisha. If you still don't know, somebody help them out in the comment section. Anyway, him drop the season finale and the tables them turn. You have a little thing when him calmer and that reach Govana right now.
Me I go shout back later though so we can done chat. Me I get ready before the girl husband come back. You free of the boy? Cock up him wife and fuck that. Fuck boy over this my friend Chris a gunshot. DJ.
Me tell you about karma. Hey, you know what a massacre there? From when massacre just about when him karma. I that Govana get right now. Shadow Star. But now tell a lie, people, it's a very, very, very interesting song. So, and not this song alone, you know, also the music video. I'm matter of fact, the whole project. The whole Govana Convo part 1, 2, 3. And the other one where they drop the other day, Gallis class. And all of the songs them where Govana do for this year, we're kind of tying back with the convo. May I tell you, them bad people. And Govana, me can't done the review here and not say this. I think, in my opinion, Govana is the most creative artist in dancehall right now. Wanna argue with me in the comment section, no? Because that me feel. Anything with me feel, I say it go. And not necessarily so it goes still. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Alright, so make we move on.
No matter how hard they try, no one can compare. No matter how far you go, I still feel the air.
Hey, you know some of the meds and me I wonder if it's a publicity stunt Jacure them a try pull off. Because Jacure have this bad song where him just released the other day. Him make ZJ Chrome release it. So it's produced by ZJ Chrome. And the song is entitled 1,000 Miles. And me nah tell her still the vibe nice. It kinda feel like, kinda sound like one of them old time Jacure song there. You know, it give me that vibe they like longing for. You see me? One of them vibes there. But anyway, Jacure run out and I try clear up him name. You see me? Allegedly. Because if only the too lazy, if you go watch the previous video and don't know what one, a leaked video about right now we are circulating at the place where some females kinda hide one little phone something video Jacure. Well, we not see him face actually, you know, but we hear him voice and him voice kinda sound like Jacure for sure. And it's like Jacure rough up the female in certain way and I say, yo, watch out man, more about the money. If you're not run the vagina, you're not getting enough money.
Say my money no. I'm more back my money. If me not fuck her now, I'm more back both of my money from you and her. That's me mashing up in her.
Basically, it sound like a buy him a buy some vagina. But no, Jacure forward up and a clear up himself and make the people them know say, yo, this video was actually done 7 years ago or a couple years ago. I say him did say. Anyway, him say it done a couple years ago and somebody has circulated it right now. I try to tarnish him career. We are gonna listen what Jacure had to say and then me give you my opinion upon the whole situation. Alright, so pre.
7 years ago, almost to be exact, this happened. A friend of mine sent this video to me years ago and tell me that to be careful, and I explained to him what happened. These girls that came here, how I met them the first time is that one of them got beat up by some dancers, some street dancer guy who said that she mixed him up with his wife and he beat her so bad. They reached out to me as a friend that I know a long time. And I put them up, show them love, they flow out. If I never show them love, they wouldn't ask me to come back here. And I show them love on a brotherly terms. But they know people in Jamaica. They've been coming to Jamaica like 4 or 5 times. Remember, she was talking to a dancer and then they know artists. So in that time of grief when they were hurt about the situation, I'm sure they send the video to maybe a couple or few or maybe one Jamaican friend, who knows. But it was there all this time. But it just leaves me to figure that it seems like now it, fall into one of the hands of someone that would really like to terminate you, in every way they can. Them social media warfare that them set up out there for fight. These are them little trick where them pull. Yeah, because everyone have them private life. And you don't know. You and someone in an argument and someone a video you without you knowledge is a form of setup and a blackmail. You feel me? Yeah, because I was always good to them. That was the only bad moment me and them share from the time they were here in Jamaica. I show them so much love and take care of them. It's just because I've realized things missing on my house, valuable items, and some cash. And I asked about it, and it caused some vibes, and we just start talking about all of different things. So I said, yeah, I'm grateful. Let's give me back my ticket. You know what I mean? Yeah, plus I'm not fucking even either of them either. I know it's wrong to talk to them the way I was talking to them. And I definitely apologize for that in myself. But deeply, they know I didn't mean anything because I didn't touch them.
Remember, I said this is alleged, alright? So the first video I play is alleged because you don't see Jacure face all. No, you only hear him voice and him voice sound like Jacure for true. And this voice note that will leak it's alleged again because we don't see no face. And it sound like it's Jacure. So we are work like with sound like and alleged, right? So me try explain what Govana. Apparently Jacure meet them girl here the first time. Him say yo, the girl them man beat them up and whatever, alleged man or whatever. But them get beat up. Jacure was nice enough to take in these girls in him house and them thing here, you see me? Accommodation and them thing there. Him say him show them brotherly love. So that mean him never try have sex with none of them at all. Now the girl them fly out and forward back. Jacure send back for the girl them because that's why I want back him plane ticket, you know. That's why I say I want back him ticket. So Jacure send back for the girl them. I don't know if Jacure did explain to the girl them say, yo, watch your mama. You see when you flying back, me I go want to do this and me I go want to do that and me I go want to do that. I don't know what really reach to that point where Jacure a cuss and I say, yo, if the one then I do that and the one then I do that, more about my money. I don't know. Jacure I try explain himself, but Jacure we still have some questions where them we not get no answer for them yet. Like how it reached to that point where you tell a girl them say, yo, watch you know, you have to do that and that. Is it that uno did go in our agreement? Is it that you physically go so and booms and say, me a buy the vagina, yeah. We need to know what go on, Jacure. We need to know what go on. You need to address it publicly. Because as what I said in the previous review, I'm still stand by that point. It don't look good for a Rasta man forward out openly like that and a buy vagina. It don't look good at all. But then again, you know, Jacure did kind of say, yo, watch you know, him is a man where kind of live one different life and Chano, I wonder if that video them if we talk about in my next review. Probably me talk about that video. Anyway, people, want to tell me what you think about all of that in the comment section below. You see me? Jacure wrong or Jacure right? And if you really want to look on it, you know, every single man on earth buy vagina. You see me? If you take care of a woman, if you not buy it directly, you're buying it indirectly. So best believe say everybody, every man buy vagina. Unless you buy something else so we not deal with that something around here. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. People, may I beg you, please run go over teespring.com/stores/ChaddyMurray to support the channel by just purchasing one of those merch. And remember, for every Sickle Strong merch purchase, the profits goes towards helping a child, and not just any child, you know, a child that is diagnosed with sickle cell. Alright, so it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget, one way, any other way, the wrong way, my God.